One of my favorite spots in Jacksonville is best known for its boutique shops, art galleries, and fine dining district. This trendy neighborhood is also where you'll find some of the most unique homes in our area, from cute historic bungalows and luxurious riverfront condos to iconic multi-million-dollar private estates. Stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to take you on the grand tour. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Andrea Delancy. I've been a realtor in Northeast Florida for almost 18 years and a resident here for over 30 years. I'm here to help you upgrade your home and lifestyle. I post weekly videos on what it's like living in Jacksonville and all things real estate. If you're new to the area or thinking about making a move here, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and be sure to check out my other neighborhood tours. Welcome to San Marco. Located on the south bank of the St. Johns River, just a few minutes from downtown, this trendy neighborhood has become one of Jacksonville's hotspots for boutique shopping, art, and fine dining. The neighborhood's focal point is the tree-lined San Marco Square with distinctive European-style statues and the Fountain of Lions, which reflects the neighborhood's association with the Venice, Italy business district. This has become a popular hangout where you can spend the day shopping in a variety of locally owned stores, enjoy some diverse dining options with plenty of outdoor cafe-style seating. This area is also emerging with trendy craft cocktail bars and breweries. There's even a secret speakeasy. Let's go take a closer look. As you head north on San Jose Boulevard or State Road 13 from the Mandarin area of town, it turns into Hendricks Avenue, one of the main thoroughfares through San Marco. San Marco Boulevard takes you towards San Marco Square, which is the center of the main shopping and dining district. On both sides of the square, you'll find a variety of locally owned boutique shops, some of the best restaurants in the Jacksonville area, and the historic San Marco Theater. The square has a picturesque park setting with the Fountain of Lions and several other European-inspired statues, fountains, and gazebo. It's a popular spot for weddings and other special events. As we head further north on San Marco Boulevard toward downtown Jacksonville, we come to another stretch of small businesses and restaurants. As we drive along the riverfront, you'll find several luxury condos and hotels with access to the South Bank Riverwalk, amazing views of the St. Johns River and downtown. Just off the main thoroughfare, the residential streets of San Marco are canopied by beautiful oak trees and a peaceful setting. San Marco is not just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle and the perfect mix of modern conveniences and historic charm. This sophisticated area of town offers unique and stunning homes with a wide variety of styles and architecture, from small historic bungalows to large private riverfront estates. Thanks for joining me today, guys. As always, if I can answer your questions about San Marco or any other area of Northeast Florida, I'm always easy to reach, and my contact information is always in the description. I'd love to help you with your next move. I'll see you next time.